This is my 1988 Ford F-150 in classic 8-stud wide Lego Speed Champions style or scale, whatever. And it's my first mock tutorial I've done on the channel, as requested by this guy. I forget his name. It's got plenty of detail, including the red stripe across the tailgate, just like the real ones. It's got a tailgate handle latch thing. It's got an exhaust pipe down here. It's got the red center caps, door handles, and in the instructions you'll see the door handles are not the same pieces as shown here. They're roller skates, but I just didn't have any more, so I used those as a placeholder. And same thing with the rear view mirrors. It uses paint rollers for the rear view mirrors in the instructions, but I didn't have any of those, so I just did these. Anyways, it has 2 gas tanks on this side, just like the real ones. These things were absolute gas hogs when gas was affordable. And it includes a coffee cup, because why not? A shifter, a steering wheel. Well, not exactly. I used a little saucer piece because a steering wheel wouldn't fit with the window. So let's do a stability test now. I'll drop it from about as high as you guys can see, right here. And the front end pops off because it's only connected by 2 little studs, but it holds up fine for playing with it and not dropping it like I am. Let's do it again. So yeah, basically just the front end is fragile, but other than that, it's a really solid model. It's got lots of... Okay, well, figured I said that. But it actually is a pretty solid model. No loose, like, illegal technique sections or anything like that. So I'll be showing you guys how to make this 1988 F-150 for free. Cue the instructions.